What's up, guys? This is knivesplus.com. Welcome to another walk around. We're going to be taking a look at the Benchmade Tactical Triage. It's new for 2018, and when saving somebody's life just wasn't good enough, they went and put a tactical in front of it, and now it's even better. Really cool knife, though. It really does have a lot of functionality to it. You do have a 3.5-inch blade here, made out of S30V blade steel. Does have a kind of a top swedge here. Almost really gives it kind of a spear point type blade. They do call it a drop point, though. Does have a dual thumb stud as well. Axis lock, super easy to open and close up for you. Does have a closed length of just under 5 inches and weighs 5.3 ounces. So a little bit heavier guy. You can kind of see it's not super thin. You do have some thicker steel liners in here. And then G10 handles, kind of polished feel to them. They're very smooth, not any kind of texture on there other than the grooves they've cut on each side of the handle here. So they did include the glass breaker, of course, must have on a tactical triage knife. And then right here in the handle as well, you've got a nice open seatbelt cutter, strap cutter. Like the fact that these are starting to get wider. They used to be real thin back in the day, but these are a little bit easier to get in there and kind of resharpen if you need to. And then that thing closes right into the handle there, opens one-handed if you need. Does not lock or anything like that, but probably not a huge deal. Does just close, fits nicely in the handle. You can hardly even, you can't feel it, doesn't protrude out from there any. The handle's pretty much made so you can get a grip on the thumb stud, but it's not going to catch anything. You do have a lanyard hole here as well, and then a pretty deep carry pocket clip, which is reversible to the left hand side. It is tip up carry on this guy right here, so really pretty nice knife from Benchmade. Heck, most all their knives are just great knives. So these are available at knivesplus.com. And I will drop a link down in the info section. Get on over to knivesplus.com to learn more.